Hello, welcome to this grammar time. We have been learning about modal verbs. You remember obligations, I have to work, or prohibition, you can't go out without a mask, right? Today, it's time to learn about questions. Yes, have to questions. Well, the first things you need for a question or in order to structure a question, it's one word. So you can say why, where, when, what time, and so on. One word. And after that, well, for present obligations, we have two auxiliaries, do and does. Do, does. Yeah, you remember, right? And after that, a subject. Well, it's up to you. A subject could be a noun or a pronoun, a singular noun or a plural noun. So you can say he, she, it, I, you, we, they, or use a name, for example, Rose or Charles. You decide, but always use a correct auxiliary. For example, what do you? Where does she? Why does Julia? Okay, always the correct auxiliary, do or does. You know, we use I, you, we, they with do, and he, she, it are singular nouns with does. Right, so after that, you need, of course, in this case, the modal verb, have to. We are asking for an obligation, right? So, have to. You know, what do you have to? Where do you have to? What does she have to? Right? And finally, we use a verb plus a complement. Of course, here the verb is an infinitive form plus a complement. For example, hey, what time do you have to go? Or maybe, yeah, what do you have to study? We're asking for these obligations. Or a yes-no question. Do you have to study? Do you have to go? Does you have to go? Right? So that's it. Come on, now it's your turn. Follow this map and form your own example. But one more time. First of all, a one word. Then the auxiliary, do or does. Don't forget the subject, and of course the modal verb have to, and a verb plus a complement, right? So come on, time to take notes and make your own examples. Here you go.